How to import photos into Adobe Lightroom. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. On the main screen, tap the plus button and your device gallery will open. From here, select the photos you want to import for editing. Once you have chosen your images, tap Add Photos or Import to bring them into Lightroom. After importing, your photos will appear in the Library or All Photos section ready for editing. You can now apply tools like light, color, effect, crop, and presets to enhance your images. Importing photos properly ensures they are organized and accessible for future edit and syncing across devices if your account uses cloud storage. Now you know how to import photos into Adobe Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing and photo enhancement tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.